Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Coach Peter Studios. If you are watching from Facebook, it's Digital Income Lab. If today is the first time coming across my video, kindly give the thumbs up, follow the page or subscribe to the channel so that you'll be part of our family so that you won't miss any update that we'll be updating. Okay, so today's video is about giving you some tips or one or two things that you have to know before you dive yourself into making money online. So if you are planning of making money online, then pause for a minute, watch this video first. There are basic things you must consider so you don't waste time, energy, or fall into scam. Let's break it down. So the first point is know your goal. Start by asking yourself, why do I want to make money online? Is it for side income, full work, or is it to build passive income? Your answer shapes your strategy. Then down number two, you got to understand your skill. Yeah, once you have your answer to the kind of, or you get to know your vision of diving into making money online, the next step is knowing your skill. What can you do is the question you have to ask yourself. So if you can write, speak, design, edit video, or promote products, use what you already know or what you are ready to learn. You know, you learn skills, so your ability will guide you on your path. Okay, and the third step is time convenience. Most of people will waste their time on doing several petty things. No, it's not petty, it's several things that at the end of the day, if you compare their time that they've spent to the profit they've gained, you see that they've wasted their time and effort and it has been in vain. So online income isn't always fast. Some gigs need daily attention, like freelance or YouTube. Others take time to build, like blogging or affiliate marketing. Be honest about your time. So knowing your time will help you move forward, or it will make your things easier for you. Then the fourth point is avoid scams. Okay, it's possible if it promises quick money with no effort, run away. Real opportunities require learning and work. Always research, check reviews, never pay upfront unless it's trusted platform. So always try to verify any platform before you invest your dime into a platform so that you won't dive into scams. Okay, there are a lot of strategies these scammers are using recently, and if you are not careful, you just fall into it without you yourself knowing that you are fall into scam. Okay, so the fifth one is the internet access and device access. Okay, and under it I can say have access to a working phone, laptop, iPad, or whatever smartphone as a whole, or any electronic device that can access the internet and run the internet properly for you so that you can use it for whatever you need to do. Okay, so you need a working phone or laptop, reliable internet. Your two matters. Don't expect to start a YouTube channel with 2 gig data or no mic, because it's not gonna help. And to be frank, without you investing into it, there's no way you can make profit. So that's why it's called business. Okay, so you have to invest into it. So if you are someone who is trying to make money online, make use of your time, money, and your device as well, because when you don't invest in your tools, or maybe if you say have a smartphone and you don't have good or quality camera and you can't start, what you have to bear in mind is that if you don't start from one, there's no way you go to 2. So know yourself. But at least if you have a working smartphone, a laptop or whatever, and you have a mic and data, you are good to go. Okay, so the 6th point I will talk about, know the platform you are going in for. Okay, so each hustle has a platform. Each hustle on this online space has its own platform. So freelancers go to Upwork and Fiverr. Writers to go to Medium. Affiliate marketers can go to Digital or Warrior Plus. Learn about the platform and see the platform that fits your skills. Okay, so that's why I first ask you to know your skill that you are possessing. Okay, before you dive into this online marketing thing or online making money. Okay, so you have to know your skills, and then you see the platform that these skills fit into it very much. Okay, so the next step you're gonna talk about patience and consistent. Example is someone who is creating YouTube, who is a content creator on YouTube, Facebook, or wherever you upload your content. You have to be consistent. Okay, you don't have to post today and you leave it tomorrow and you post the next day. It's not gonna help. Okay, be consistent. Be posting daily. Okay, be posting, be updating your audience every day. Okay, it's gonna help you make it. Okay, the truth, online money is real, but only if you are real with your efforts. Be consistent, keep learning, give it the time. Success will follow you if you show up daily. Okay, so in today's video, I would like to end my points here. I'll give you 7 key strategies that you're gonna use, and it's gonna help you. If you don't get the point, you can go over this video. You can then go to master the point that I've given you. If this helped you, so guys, if you find this information, this video informative, kindly like the video, share it to someone who needs to hear this. Follow me for more tips. In the next video, I'll help you choose your first income stream. Don't miss out. See you in my next video.